Hi, I'm Alina and I'm with Expert Village and I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful transfer polymer bracelet. In this next step, we're going to remove the transfer paper from our beads. All the glue has melted and all of your designs properly transferred onto the beads, and you want to pull this off while it's still hot, because if you wait, could run the risk of having the paper stick to the bead. And there you go. We've made our beads. We're going to take our beads and we're going to put them back into the oven for another 5 minutes. Once your beads have baked an additional 5 minutes, you're going to let them cool off.